So it's -2 on the Saltway in Oxfordshire, and for the last 6 weeks, every morning I've been coming out here to feed the farmland birds, because a quarter of the British bird species are now on the red list of highest conservation concern, and a lot of those are the very lovely poor farmland birds, including species like yellowhammers. So I have volunteered my services to represent Farmland Bird Aid, which is a charity founded by this legend of a woman called Louise Spicer, which is a very local charity just to West Oxfordshire. For over a month, there wasn't any proof that they were actually finding the food, but in the last couple of weeks they've been coming in quite large numbers. It's quite exciting. It's very difficult to capture this on film with just a phone camera, but I've just been counting them through binoculars, and I'd say there are probably about 120 birds, a mixed flock, a lot of chaffinches, but also those lovely yellowhammers, and some bullfinches, greenfinches, which are new to the red list, and some bramblings. Maybe there are some linnets, but I haven't seen them. Anyway, this is what I do every morning. I broadcast the seed thinly so that the bigger birds like pheasants and pigeons don't find it so easily, so we can target that farmland bird audience. And it's cold, but it's beautiful and it's very rewarding. Okay, off I go. There's a big problem for those birds to survive what's known as the hunger gap between midwinter and spring. Already there are lots of volunteers and also farmers who have seen this problem and are solving it by daily feeding, just like I've been doing, along stretches of farmland and hedgerows. And it is creating good results. There are lots of yellowhammers, which are hugely in decline, as well as bramblings here. The problem is, of course, my one little stretch isn't going to make any difference to the national population of birds. But if everybody did this, or if more people did this, then collectively there would be an impact.